lie. Jeez, let me lie. Let me lie, guys. Wait for me, bro. I will lie for you.
Don't play with me, nigga.
Our Nigeria Elon Musk, our Nigeria future Elon Musk. I know somebody dey sweet. You never see this kind of thing before. I know that you are happy, but this is time to be very careful. Don't go for person house, go chop anything, don't drink any drink. This is the time to be extremely careful. Everybody na suspect, including that boy. You see that boy with the video. You everybody na suspect this period. Don't be careful, God punish the one. Be very, very careful this period. I'm not just even talking about your friends. Be careful in general because the numbers of people who hate very dark man. They can go any extent to make sure they frustrate the effort of very dark man. Be careful, God punish the one. This is the best time to be more closer to God. Be very, very careful this period though, because if you lose God, they buy you. I will come meet you for that place where you do they buy you. I will give you better cock for lose God. Be careful, my brother. God punish you. People if you don't get anything against you because you be small boy, if you don't get anything against you, but the hatred they get for very dark man, the hatred that these people get for very dark man, they go want just do you something to frustrate very dark man. God punish you. And the way when you happy like this, hope you know say no be the whole 75 million. Now you don't say what they send you go China. How they know say that 75 million? How they know say that 75 million? Now we just calculate money when no be my own. Now part of the money now you talk say what they send you go China. You got reserve some. You know say promise like a Miami scholarship.
Jesus.
No be only you now want to train for school. You also train like a Miami to go learn English. Now part of the money now you talk say what they send you go China. Remember I go punish the one. The love we that man get for this small boy when what they send that go China is far more better than the love when they get when they share 3,000 bag of rice. I don't mention them. I don't mention them. Do you hear any name from my mouth? Now you call no person that you talk about to punish the one. Sending him to China for future development is better than 3,000 bag of rice. I don't mention him. But you know the best one that you talk about, go punish that person, punish the one. Very dark man, a manipulator. VDM, a manipulator. VDM is the only manipulator we get good at.
Jesus.
If na like this, una want they manipulate, you no go get problem with una. Make una manipulation, they come with good impact. Go punish una, punish the one. And many of them notice for that video, give one particular way that man talk that is struck my heart. I don't know that only me notice that way that man talk say he can die at any time. You see that statement? You see that statement? He can die at any time.
Jesus.
Now that thing they make me they live the kind of life when they live. Like say tomorrow no day. Live the life where you live a life of impact. Don't be to the shot. I'm distracted that you're not learning anything from very dark man. Make sure that you are living a life of impact. Make impact. Make impact. Make impact. Like me now, I did make sure say I did any girl when you say gay honey this period I did satisfy them. I did make impact. Make impact. Make sure say you make impact. You can die at any time. Enjoy yourself. Live right.
Will you keep quiet?
Make impact. Your impact may not only be my impact, but make impact. Go punish the one.